What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you guys how to make a soldering fume extractor. For this I used a old fan from my old PC and I 3D printed the case, and I used carbon filter to filter out the fume. So here is the schematic of how everything will be connected. I will be using a potentiometer to control it, and so the reason we have a boost converter from 5 volt to 12 volt is because I'm using a phone charger USB, and so we need it, but that only provides 5 volt and we need a 12 volt for the fan, so that's why we use a boost converter. I'm well aware that a potentiometer is not the best choice in this case, since a potentiometer is usually meant for signal level control, but I didn't have any options since I didn't have any switch and I wanted to control it, so this shall do for now. After planning out how everything would be connected, I went with 3D designing the case for the system, and so I did that in Onshape since that's what I'm used to work on, and so this is the case, and the case will be available down in the link for anyone to download and print. So a short time lapse of the 3D print is provided here, and sorry for the mess in the background, but yeah. After getting all the supports off the case, I first started by trying to fit the fan inside the case, just to make sure that it actually fits. And then I actually encountered a problem quite quickly, since I didn't measure how big the potentiometer would be, and so I only made a random hole in the case. I thought, yeah, it would probably fit, but it didn't, and I recorded this video using that case. But as you can see in the beginning of this video, there is a actual potentiometer in the back, and that is because I reprinted the part and redid it, but I didn't record it, so yeah. But the file that I provided is the redone one, the reworked one, so you can just download it and print it out. As you can see here, I'm trying to fit the carbon filter to the size of the case, since they only had big portion of the filter to buy, so I had to buy a big one like this and cut it to size. So once I connected it to the outlet, as you can see in the video, the fan started spinning. So I tested it out by soldering next to the fan, and it works quite fine, but it's not as strong. So you can either increase the voltage to make the fan spin faster, but that will degrade the fan and it will probably not last that long. So what I did instead is I have it close to my working station, so every time I start it I have it quite close to it, to the soldering. Yes, but otherwise I've been using it for a week now, and I'm quite happy with the results so far. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.